throat infection, pharyngitis. First of all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Dr. Sikandar Ali Soomra and press the bell icon so you can stay updated with every new video regarding health and medicine. Alaikum, alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Today we will discuss a very common yet significant health issue known as a throat infection. This condition can affect children, adults, and the elderly alike. Questions: have you ever experienced throat pain, irritation, or difficult swallowing? These are the classic symptoms of a throat infection. Anatomy of the throat. Our throat consists of three main parts: pharynx, the throat; tonsils, larynx, the voice box. Note: tonsils are part of body immune system that help fight of germs. What is a throat infection? A throat infection occurs when viruses or bacteria enter the throat and cause inflammation, swelling. There are two main types: a viral infection caused by common cold or flu, usually heals on its own. Bacterial infection often involves tonsillitis, requires antibiotic for treatment. Symptoms: throat pain, difficulty swallowing, fever, cough, hoarseness, loss of voice, swelling in the throat. In some cases, white patches, pus may also appear. Causes: viruses, flu, cold; bacteria, cold food or drinks; dust and pollution; smoking; weak immune system; consuming excessively cold items can lead to throat irritation. Diagnosis: how does a doctor diagnose it? Physical examination of throat, checking body temperature. Specific test it requires. Treatment: home remedies, salt water gargles, honey and ginger, drinking warm water. Proper test. Medical treatment: painkiller, antibiotic only to be used with the doctor advice. Prevention: keep your hands clean, avoid extremely cold items, use a face mask, drink plenty of water. Conclusion: a throat infection is a common element. However, it not treated timely, it can become serious. Message: take care your health, because health is true wealth. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friend. Allah Hafiz.